All right, at my friend Travis's house here, we are just under a month from having planted my premium Kentucky bluegrass seed, and I want to give you the 1 month update, show you where we're at. There we go. Looking so good. Even the park strip looks fantastic. Very, very happy with this. So we do have a couple of weeds coming up now, starting to come through. Honestly, not even worried about that, not a big deal. I even told Travis, I said, if you can reach it from the sidewalk without having to really step on things, go ahead and just pull it by hand. Oh, that's satisfying. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good root too. Thistle is tougher to get when it's mature. And so I want to get it now, oh yeah, while we still can, before it gets too crazy. Oops. If you let thistle get out of control, it becomes a problem. Oh yeah, perfect. This is much easier to do when the soil is damp and soggy like that. Everything comes out pretty easy. After we've mowed it a couple times, I'll come back here and I'll start a regular pattern and a regular cadence of weed control. But I want to get a couple of mows logged in here first. But as you can see, fantastic coverage. It's really thick. We had a really great grow in. He sent me pictures at about 7 days when he just started seeing sprouts, and I could tell right away we were going to have really good results here. And sure enough, things are really starting to look good. And on top of all of that, this was planted on June 12th, and today is July 10th. And for the past few days, we've been in the mid 90s, and we're gonna stay in the mid 90s for the rest of this week. And look at this, it's holding on so strong. It's looking so good. The color is so dark green. Man, it looks good. Now I'm gonna do another update probably early fall once temperatures come down and this really starts kicking into gear and we get into that temperature window that we really love for bluegrass, and show you just how it fills in and continues to fill in. I'll be back here. I'm gonna be fertilizing and doing weed control for him. So plenty of updates to come. Now for today, I am going to do a lazy fertilizer application. I don't wanna walk on anything. We're kind of in the middle of the bluegrass's sprout and pout stage. We're kind of in the pouting stage. I can see lots of bluegrass that has sprouted, but it's just so tiny and fragile. I just want to leave it alone, especially during the summer heat. It's already dealing with enough stress. I don't want to do any more to it. I want to just give it a little bit of a push, a little bit of fertilizer to keep it going, and to really push especially the bluegrass that's there, and more importantly this ryegrass, so that we can protect that bluegrass as it continues to work through its process and come and fill in and start catching the sun and photosynthesizing and really taking off. Now by a lazy fertilizer, I mean I'm only going to fertilize from the perimeter. I've got a Scott's Whiz automatic handheld fertilizer, and it's just going to throw it in for me as I just kind of hold it out here. So I will do that. I think I can get pretty good coverage from the edges here. The yard, it really isn't that big. So I'll just walk all the way around here. The park strip's gonna get perfect coverage because I can reach all of this no problem. This area here, really no problem. It's gonna be pretty much the middle of this main section right here that's gonna be the hardest to get. But all things considered, most of this is gonna get fertilizer coverage. All right, so I'm gonna call it a day. I went around and grabbed as many weeds as I could, got some fertilizer down, and just looked at it because it looks so good. If you're interested in learning more about my premium Kentucky Bluegrass mix, there's a link down in the description. You can get more information, you can purchase it, all the things right down there. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I do have a free guide available on my website for growing grass from seed, how to buy grass, how to take care of your lawn in the summer, all the things for free down below. Check it out. Thanks so much for watching. Consider subscribing if you're not already. I'll see you next time.